So my next question is going to be a little heavy on stats, so you'll have to be a little patient with me here. According to Journal of Contemporary Dental Practice 2019 research states that gutka, mawa, and smokeless tobacco users are 5 times more likely to develop cancer. Further, a 2018 study from Ziauddin University states that gutka, mawa, betel quid are leading risk factors for oral cancer in Pakistan. International Journal of Community Medicine and Public Health Research 2025 article states that 68% of university students are vaping and they think it's completely safe. What do you think we need to do now?
So this is a very important and a thing which it's great that you have all these figures and they're very accurate. And we are all into scientific studies and nothing beats the literature, where that's how we know that these are facts. So what happens is if you have children who are having gutka, mawa, and all that, and what happens is that that changes the texture in your gum, and that basically accelerates it. So you have collagen, and that turns into like a leather sort of thing. And that's the start of it. And then what happens is then it becomes completely over time. There's some enzymes which come about, and then that causes that same gum, which is supposed, and the tissue, which is the cheek and all that. Those are normal texture, but then they become into leather-like. And then from leather-like, they transform into something which is very hard. And then that can lead towards cancer and all that.
Okay, so the first stages or the pre stages of cancer is when it becomes leather like inside the mouth, and
Yes,
the primary cause is gutka, mawa, naswar.
yes. And so when the first warning signs is that the mouth isn't opening so much and it's becoming very hard and all that, and then slowly that starts turning reddish, which is where it's like a very big warning sign. And then there comes a time where there's no coming back, and it can also spread as well. And so these things are something where, first of all, again, uh, these things should be banned. They That's the first thing. And if the government and everybody takes a strong stand, then this is the only way. We all have to be on the same page for this. And as far as vaping, as you again, this is some people thought that this was an alternate to smoking, and you see that they are all hooked on smoking. And again, this is another way of they have an escape or whatever the means or whatever the reason why they're doing it. But the thing is that it causes the same. It Vaping, they say that there's a popcorn lung which can happen. So similarly, if
What's the
there
popcorn lung?
so it is something where your lung becomes irreversibly has some sort of pathology. So everybody thought that this was the alternate, but unfortunately, no.